How do you find estate sales in your area? For those that don't know, estate sales are a great way to find inventory as a reseller, as well as finding cool items for your own personal collection. Similar to garage sales, estate sales pop up every weekend, so you gotta make sure they're on your list when you go out. Here are 5 tools I used to earn almost $20,000 in the last 3 months on eBay. Number 1 is garagesalefinder.com. This is a great tool to find nearby garage sales, estate sales, and any sort of community-wide sale that's going on that weekend. The best part about the website is you can get added to a custom mailing list that'll let you know when there are new sales popping up in your area. The best time to check this website is on Thursday nights because sometimes Friday is the first day of the sale. Number 2, and my personal favorite, Craigslist. Craigslist might be a little old-fashioned for some people, but it's a great resource for finding garage sales and estate sales every single weekend. I highly recommend downloading the Craigslist app for your phone because you never know when a new sale might pop up. Not to mention the fact that older people tend to use the platform more, leading to better inventory and sometimes more vintage items. Number 3 is Nextdoor. Nextdoor is a community-based app that allows you to find nearby sales from your neighbors. Sometimes you can get lucky and find a sale that's only posted on Nextdoor, it's not cross-posted anywhere else, and that leads to less competition and better offers for you. This happened a few times for me in the past year and led to a bunch of amazing deals. I ended up getting a bunch of sealed PlayStation games for under $100. It ended up being around 100 games, so around $1 per game, so not a bad pickup, especially for an exclusive sale. So always keep an eye out on Nextdoor. Sometimes you see some sales, sometimes you don't, but you never know what might pop up on your feed. Number 4 is Facebook Marketplace. In my personal opinion, Facebook Marketplace has been very hit or miss in the past year. It's either filled with a lot of people that don't understand what things sell for, or it's filled with other resellers that are trying to price gouge and avoid eBay's fees. While it's a lot easier to find a bunch of inventory on Facebook, I tend to not spend too much time per week just because a lot of times when you're looking for an item and when you send an offer, you might just get ghosted. Also, Facebook Marketplace has a very bad search optimization feature, making it very hard to find out when sales are actually happening. Sometimes users will just put garage sale on Saturday, but you don't know when the post was made. There have been a few times where I've reached out to people and they're saying, hey, that sale happened 2 months ago. We don't have any of the items anymore. Leave me alone. So you never know, but it's always worth the ask. And finally, number 5, estatesales.net or .org. These are the main hubs for finding any estate sales within your area, especially estate sales run by companies. These postings tend to have a lot of pictures as well as the company details and the sale dates. It's worth noting that when estate sales are posting on this website, the website does charge them whenever they make a post, as well as for additional pictures that they might add, which can lead some of these companies to reflect that in their prices at the first day of the sale. In conclusion, there's a lot of different platforms and a lot of different resources you can use to find estate sales every weekend, so it's worth spending a little bit of time on Thursday night planning out your trip for the weekend. Comment down below any questions you might have about thrifting, and subscribe for more videos like this.